How to mute someone on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to mute someone on LinkedIn easy and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is go to linkedin.com and log into your account, and now this is the homepage. As you can see, now right here you will find all the posts that people are posting right here. Let's say that I want to mute this person right here because I see a lot of her posts. All what I have to do is go to one of her liked posts or one of her posts and click on those three dots right here, and then click mute for her. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you.